Today's Wednesday, just prior to the Hot Bike Power Tour. We've got to be in Joplin, Missouri on Saturday morning, so we're going to tear this bike down.
If you could describe that build in one word, what would you use?
Quick, fast, and in a hurry.
Intense.
I'm taking my sweet time.
Gets tense, but we always say it takes pressure to make diamond.
One word?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Family.
Challenge.
Exhausting. It's a board track bagger. It's one of those things that you just don't see. No one's done it, and no one's combined the excitement and the thrill of a really fast motorcycle, like a board tracker, with the suspension, the ride, and the rubber mount engine of a bagger. And we do indeed have saddlebags, and that's the easy part. We just bolt them on, bolt them off. The hard part is now.
My smile's 10 miles wide. When I'm old and haggard, I'll have lived a good life. I'm liberated. Yeah, I'm living free. I'm nobody's burden, baby. My only answer to me.
If you're looking to catch more of the board track bagger, you can follow us on Facebook at Klock Werks Custom Cycles, on Instagram at just Klock Werks, or our Twitter, which is Klock Werks as well. And again, we're excited to see you out there. Make sure you're following our YouTube channel. We've got Sarah Liberty on staff now, and she'll be following the bike, taking riding videos, you name it. So subscribe to this channel as soon as you get done watching this fun stuff, and we'll see you down the road.
My only answer to me.